Hey everyone, let's talk about something that's up in the air aviation. Planes are pretty amazing, right? They connect us to family, friends, and allow us to travel around the globe. But here's the deal they also have a pretty big environmental impact. Here's a stat for you aviation is responsible for 2.5% of global CO2 emissions. But wait, there is more. Planes also produce contrails and nitrogen oxides at high altitudes, which amplify their warming impact, and when you add it all up, aviation accounts for around 3.5% of the total climate effect caused by human activity. So, what's the fix? Well, the aviation industry is already working on solutions, and some of them are actually pretty neat. Take, for example, sustainable aviation fuels, or SAF for short. These are made from renewable stuff like algae, used cooking oils, or even agricultural waste. SAF can cut emissions by up to 80% over its life cycle, but here's the catch. It's still super expensive and makes up less than 1% of what we use today. Then there are electrical planes. Companies are designing battery-powered aircraft for short trips, and they are testing them as we speak. The technology isn't there yet for long-haul flights, but for short regional hops, we could see this in action within the next decade. Here's another thing, it's not just on airline companies, we have a role too. The easiest step to do this? Fly less. It can be tough because sometimes there's no other way to get somewhere. But for shorter trips, consider taking a train, even a bus, for example. In Europe, trains often emit 90% less CO2 per passenger than a plane. Flying isn't going away anytime soon, and that's okay. But if you want a future where travel doesn't cost us the planet, we've got to push for greener technology, smarter policies, and better choices for the future of the planet. Thanks for listening, and next time you're booking a trip, think about how you can travel a little more sustainably. Safe travels!